Now let's all read Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Hello, Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule, and that is don't push the button. This button? Can I push it? No! Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Oh, one little push. Okay. Beep. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Push it again. Okay. Beep. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Push it twice. Okay. Peep, peep. Ugh! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. A bunch of times. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Uh-oh. Oh no. There's so many Larrys. 1 Larry, 2 Larry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no. Okay, let's shake the book to get rid of all the Larrys. Oh, let's shake. Okay, shake, 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 shake. Oh, almost. A little more. Okay, shake, 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 shake. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Where's his tummy? Here? No. Here? No. Here. The tummy. Let's scratch it. Scratch, 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 scratch. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Yeah, push. No, the end. I hope you had fun reading Don't Push the Button. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.